Well guys, today we got ourselves a cool looking project. Got ourselves a 2023 Super Snake pickup from Shelby. Very cool. So today we're putting some brakes on it. So we're replacing the brake pads, the original pads that they got in here, rotors, calipers. They were not the right ones for the truck because at the time they had issues with the original ones for turning the ABS light on. So these are the replacements. Check this out. We have an 8-piston caliper. Look at the size of that. Wow. 4 brake pads. And check out this rotor. That is huge. And it is very heavy. All right, we'll get this off the get the wheels off and we'll get started on it. All right, so this is what we have on so far. It's the original brake setup, the rubber hose, and we're going to change that to a new flex line per instructions. So you can see the difference of the new bracket, which is here, and this is the other bracket we took off. So this one has the studs in it. So the new bracket is going to be bolted on with these bolts through the caliper. So take a look at the difference of these rotors. So obviously the new one is on the right and the original one is on the left. Pretty good size. So taking a look at our hub assembly. Like I say, this is the bracket bolted onto the original knuckle. So this is the other side here. We're going to take this off and swap it over and we'll get it reassembled. Okay guys, looking on the workshop manual, they have you torque the caliper support down to 184, so we have that down. And according to their handy little booklet, they give you this the torque in Newton meters for the caliper. So if we had the pin style like it shows here, that is a 12mm bolt, that'd be at 115. But we have the 14mm bolt, so that is at 170, which equals out to 124 foot-pounds. So we have the assembly installed, and that is massive looking, very cool compared to the small caliper. So I left this all intact just to test fit everything, just to make sure everything's going to fit before I opened up the system, just in case I got to put it back together. And then this way here I don't have to bleed anything out or do anything like that. So I'm going to stick the wheel on here and make sure everything clears, and we'll finish buttoning it up. Alright guys, so we got all the lines put on, everything tagged in. So they give you this little grommet here. You just push the grommet through the bracket, bolt it on, and it all goes up into the factory setting. So it works pretty nice. So I'll just get her bled out and we'll get the wheel on it and put her together.
See, I guess. I got to seat in too a little bit.
Oh, they'll stop good. That's light brake pedal. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up our brake installation. Looks pretty good.